Hello, my name is Coco Capitán. I'm a New York and London-based artist. Today I had been working on my new series of paintings using the Galaxy Tab S6. It's very handy and very comfortable to use what I'm painting because I can hold it in one hand. It's very light and also very slim. I can move across pictures very easily and it just makes my whole process way more comfortable. All of the colors are equally inspiring to me. What I liked the most was the ultra-wide angle. It allows me to take a really wide angle of whatever it is that I'm photographing. The S Pen felt like the perfect accessory for the Tab S6. It's very easy to use. It's very sensitive. It felt like almost writing on paper. At the end of the day, I love getting home, go to the sofa, watch a movie, or perhaps watch some Netflix. Lately, I just really been enjoying our planet. One of the features I find more productive about Tab S6 is the Dex mode. I can just multitask. I can look at pictures while taking notes, which is very efficient for my work. The Galaxy Tab S6 is a very fun and easy to use tool that really allows me to express my creativity in a very natural way. I consider it becoming an important part of my process.